Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change name in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, as you can see, we have your achievements and everything. In the bottom right corner, we have the store. In the top right corner, we have the settings, and the bottom right corner, the start button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your name in Call of Duty Mobile. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First, launch the game on your device, as I already told you. And then tap on your name at the top of the main screen. So you can click on here, top left corner of your main screen. You can go and click on your name there. And after that, what you need to, of course, go and do is go to the second tab and open your player profile. So when you're in your player profile, which you can also go through here by clicking here. So then in the player profile, then you will need to, of course, go and tap the edit icon next to your current name, type in your name and click change. If you don't have a rename card, you'll be prompted to purchase one for 5 COD points. Confirm the new name. You can change your name once every 3 days. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.